Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia Activite Steel watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. Before we start, if you want to set the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Withings HealthMate application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Withings HealthMate application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon in the top right corner, and here you should see your watch on the devices page. We need to wait until it's connected with our phone, so let's wait. It should start connecting soon. If it's not connecting with your phone, I recommend to turn off the Bluetooth, turn it back on, go back to the app, and hopefully it will start connecting. We can also try waking up the watch. Basically, we can pick it up, and at the back of the watch we have this button right here at the top, and we can press it by using some kind of pin. So I'm gonna press it with my SIM eject tool, and after you press it, the watch will vibrate, which means it's basically activated. And now let's try, for example, going here. Bluetooth is not off, it is turned on, so the app is having problems detecting it. I'm gonna reopen the app, hopefully this will work. This watch is not working too well, to be honest. No, now it's connecting, so let's wait. And once it says connected, we can tap on upcoming alarm right here, and we can set our alarm clock. You can do it by tapping right here, or pressing and holding on the bar, dragging it to change the time, like this. You can also change the smart wait time. This is basically like snooze option, and you can extend it to 60 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you like. You can also select on which days the alarm should repeat, and you can disable this option if you don't want the alarm to repeat, but if you want it to repeat, you can select the option and select specific days according to your liking, maybe Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday. Remember to turn on the alarm, and once you're done, tap on save. As you can see, it says alarm set for 5 hours. For now, the app didn't update, but I believe if you close the app and reopen it, it should update, and you should see your alarm enabled. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you enable, or rather set, the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.